In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated collections with product tags in Shopify. We'll walk through the whole process step by step, so by the end, your store will automatically group products into the right collections, just based on tags. This saves a lot of time, especially as your catalog grows. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Before you can build an automated collection, you need to make sure your products actually have tags to work with. On the left-hand side, click on Products. This opens a list of everything in your store. Choose one product to start with by clicking its name. You'll now be in the product editor. On the right-hand side of this page, look for the Product Organization section. Inside that card, you'll see a field labeled Tags. Click into that field and type any tags you want to use, pressing Enter after each one. Tags might describe things like style, material, season, or category. Try to keep your tags consistent and clear, because these are what Shopify will use to group your products. Once you've added your tags, go to the top of the page and click Save. It's important not to skip this, or your changes won't apply. Repeat the same process for any other products you want to include later in your automated collections. The more products you tag now, the better your collections will work. When your key products are tagged, look back to the left-hand menu under Products and click on Collections. This is where all your product groups live, like new arrivals or on sale. In the top right corner, click Add Collection. The collection editor page will load. Start by entering a title for your collection. Make it specific enough that you'll recognize it later, like summer dresses or organic skincare. Below that, you'll see a description field. This supports rich text, so you can format your description with headings, links, or basic styling if you like. This description can appear on your storefront, so write something that helps customers understand what they'll find in this collection. Next, scroll to the collection type section. Choose the option for an automated or smart collection. This tells Shopify to automatically populate the collection based on rules you define, instead of you manually adding products. Now, set your conditions. First, decide if products must match all conditions or any condition. All conditions is more strict, while any condition is more flexible. For this example, we'll use tags. In the first dropdown, select Tags. In the second field, choose is equal to. In the text field that appears, type the exact tag you used on your products for this collection. When you're done, click Save and wait for the page to reload. After it refreshes, you'll see a list of products that match the tag you entered. Those products are now automatically included in this collection. Anytime you add that same tag to another product in the future, it will appear here automatically without any extra work from you.